Bro, my shit up. Fuck that. Hey, shit, he just fucking popped the cruise. Hey, homie just popped the cruise. Damn, homie just popped the cruise. Literally just joined a random ass like Mopar, like Charger Challenger cruise. This shit about to get popped. And he's turning down. This ain't good. And obviously, bro, my shit up. Fuck that. Hey, shit, he just fucking popped the cruise. Hey, homie just popped the cruise. Damn, homie just popped the cruise. Hey, we probably gotta get the fuck off this road though, low key. Homie just popped this shit. Oh, we got another cruise right here. Shit, let me just pull a UE right quick. Oh, he going after his ass. Ah, he going after his ass. Damn. He's about to get fucked up. Damn, they got the whole squad coming. Ooh. They better. Oh man, they got helicopters out now. Damn. Hey, there's another cruise. Fuck that shit. You fucking pulling a UE up here. Cruise going on. Damn, look at this. Yeah, we whipping this UE right quick. What have we got up here? Oh, there's helicopters out. Yeah, there's helicopters out right now. Hey, this just went bad. Damn. Hey, we probably gotta dip. Hey, we better rip this UE real quick, low key. We might have to rip it. We might go to lower whacker. I don't actually, you know what? I don't even go by lower whacker. All right, so we're about to pull up back to the location. I think it's probably hot though. I'm not really expecting to be able to get anything out of it. We had to literally scramble because like 6 or 7 squad cars just came out of nowhere and a bunch of unmarked, so we just dipped. It was pretty cool. You just randomly joined like a Mopar meet, and then there's another like secondary meet going on. I don't know what they're doing or where they're at, but I mean that van just came out of nowhere. I bet you that there's probably at least 5 or 6 just cars sitting in the parking lot. If it is, I'm just gonna wrap it up there and just head right back in the opposite direction, because obviously none of us are supposed to be out right now. So I'm not trying to get a ticket. Fuck that shit. All right, so we're about to be at the location. I think it's dead. I hear nothing. As expected, but I just wanted to come back and swing back and see just in case. They just kind of just, you know, cruised on by and really didn't think much. Like I said, if this is pop, I'm gonna go right back that way that I came. See if we can link up with those other guys. I don't know if they went down to Whacker. They might have went to Whacker. I doubt it. It's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Like usual, or like expected, I should say. Oof. Yeah. right back down to the way that we were. We're on the hunt with this STI up here. I guarantee you he's looking for the same group of guys I'm looking for. I think everybody did scramble though. See if something happens. Gonna follow the STI, fuck it. Oh, more cops. What up? Yeah, everything's pretty much chalked. Ellie just took off my GoPro, but yeah, that was pretty interesting, man. You should give up a like, comment.